100% disk usage Windows 10 fix. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll see some of the easy tricks by which you can solve this 100% disk usage on Windows 10. So first of all, click on your Start button and then open Run. Now what you have to do is you have to type in services.msc and hit the OK button. On these services, you have to tap on any of them and then type in S. Hereby, you have to search for sysmin. Now right-click on it and then open its properties. Now change the startup type into disabled and then apply and click on OK. Similarly, now you have to tap in C and you have to search for this particular file, which is Connected Devices Platform. Right-click on it and stop it first of all. After that, go to its properties and change the startup type into disabled and then click on apply. Once this has been completed, let's move on to the next step. Close the services.msc and this time go to File Explorer. After that, tap in this PC and then choose your local disk C. Right-click on it and go to its properties. Once you have gone to properties, tap on or click on Tools option. Here, click on Optimize and hereby you have to turn off the scheduled optimization. For that, tap on Change Settings. Untick the option of Run as a schedule and click on OK and it will be turned off. Once this has been completed, you can cross it. For the other step, you have to go and install and download the latest versions. For that, you have to go to Windows Update, search for the latest optional updates and click on Download and Install. For the last solution, right-click on the Start button and open Task Manager. Now go to Startup Files and choose the files that is not required. You just have to tap on it, right-click on it and then disable it. And these are few solutions which will help to solve the problem. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.